Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to AppCoder. I am Satyendra and today we are going to discuss about ScrollView in SwiftUI. You must have heard the term ScrollView. You must have used in UI Kit or other platform as well. Whenever our content become larger than our screen size, then it should scroll. So let me show you with the example how ScrollView works. So this is the default SwiftUI project. We'll use the same. Let me give it a frame. Okay, let's give it a width. It should be like 150, and let me give a height also. It should also 150. Okay, let me change the background color. It should be like any color, like green or whatever. Okay, as you can see, here is a vertical stack view, and inside that vertical stack view, we have image and the text. We have set the frame 150 height and width, and its background green, and we have given the padding also. What if I'll create a for loop, and inside this for each, I'm going to put this content. Using this, uh, for each will create 0 to 100 iteration for this component. As you can see, we have 100 element of this vertical stack view, but it's not showing properly. As you can see, the this is out of the edges. This is in at the bottom of edges. So we need scrolling here in SwiftUI. We can easily put it in scroll view. So let me show you. I'm going to simply use a scroll view, and going to copy this code, cut this code, and paste over here. As you can see now, this complete vertical stack is now scrolling. I'm able to scroll the content. All the content is visible now. Without the scroll view, we will not be able to perform the same operation. So default direction of the scroll view in Swift UI is the vertical one. Let me, as you can see, we are able to see the scroll indicator. We can turn it off as well using, there is a property named show indicator, I think. Yes, and there's a show indicator property. So let me change it to false. Let's remove this content first. As you can see now, there is no indicator available here. It's disabled now. If we want the indicators, make it true, then it will be visible. What if we need to change the scroll view direction from vertical to horizontal? We have to assign it like this, the scroll direction. So it's already vertical by default in nature. What if I'll make it horizontal? As you can see, scroll is working to horizontal direction, but all my items are in ordered in vertical way. So let me put it in horizontal stack. Okay, let's do with 20 spacing. Let me put all this item in horizontal stack. Okay, now it will work in the horizontal uh, direction. Or before we without the drag and drop, we can directly perform the same operation. We can use right click over there, and we can embed all the this code in edge stack like this. So that is it for today, guys. Hope you understand the functionality of scroll view. If you have any doubt, you can ping me in comment. And if you like the video, please do subscribe the channel. Bye bye.